doing with my car? Why are you ruining my car like this?
Hey, don't worry, I am not ruining your car. I am painting your car to make your car more beautiful.
I don't want to paint my car. Wait, I am calling my dad to beat you.
Hey, don't call your dad. I have made a big mistake. Just wait. I am removing the painting from your car.
Okay, I will not call my dad if people like your work. I will notice whether good boys and girls like or not.
Don't worry. Good boys and girls are watching my video. They will definitely like my video. Hey, good boys and girls, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Write "Don't call dad" in the comments. If you do, she will not call her dad.
I will notice whether good boys and girls like or not.